Hello everyone, so here's part 2 of how to open the stuck tailgate in the MAZDA Tribute, and this MAZDA Tribute 2006 fourth generation. We already got the part 1, which comes down to this point that we can open the plastic side panel on the tailgate, and now we come down to where the problems stay and we can emergency open the hatch. With this sort of thing, I believe that we would have one plastic hole right here to do the job, but anyway, it is what it is now. So we found that there's the mechanism like this. Don't touch the top one. We don't want to touch it because we don't have to release the top one now. We can work directly from the bottom. So you can see this one right into the lever at the back end, and currently it doesn't move because the plastic here doesn't slide. Okay, so the job is the actuator. You see that the actuator there need to work to pull this plastic to the other side, so it will actually move sideways of this like this, and then at the same time when this one move like that to the other side, then actually you can use the lever from outside, or you can hold your hand here and lift this one up, and that when you lift this one up, it will move this one down. Okay, push that rod down, and when that rod going down, it will push and open the lock from the bottom. Okay, so here we go, just do it. And the reason because of that actuator should be the problem. It doesn't work. So you see that, use those flathead screwdriver, put the head like this to the side. Okay, so it stays right into this, and then you push this one. Okay, push it, you see it, the plastic move and this one move. Okay, it doesn't move too far, but it actually moves about 2 centimeters, and that is enough. Okay, about 2 centimeters is enough. And from here I even can use okay, my finger. You see that my left side hand, my left hand finger here, see it? I'm holding this one, but at the same time I use this finger to touch this latch, because at this moment I can touch this one very quite okay, not easy. If you have someone else, or if you don't hold the camera, just simply use another hand. Okay, so I'm demonstrating that you push this one on the side all the way to the, see this, it moves like this. Okay, all the way, and then you push this lever upward, and then the rod will go down. Look at this, see that rod go down. Okay, and the door is open. Okay, it will be open. All right, so you can see that it's open. Okay, so that's the way to open it. And then now you actually can open the plastic and then remove the part and replacing the faulty part. All right, all the best. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. And if you couldn't find the part 1, just click at the right end link at this video and you will find the part 1. Thank you, see you then.